You've got to check out this powerful air duster by Hagoogie. It's lightweight, compact, and can easily fit into your pants pocket or purse. This thing is super powerful. It has 2 buttons. This gray button here is the manual instant max button, allowing you to have full control of this powerful fan. The black button here is the automatic button. It has 3 settings, low, medium, and high, and it allows you for continuous control of the fan. It comes with 2 nozzles, a short and a long one, and also 2 cleaning brushes, a lanyard, and a storage pouch. You charge it here at the bottom, and you'll see it lights up. It's about a 2 or 3 hour charge time, and you get anywhere from 20 to 270 minutes working time. This is great for your office, especially people who are working from home. You can use it to clean your counters. It's great for after a haircut. You could use it to blow up balloons. It'd be great for car detailing, and you could also use it to help start bonfires. I am very happy with this powerful air duster. I was able to clean my computer, keyboard, and desktop without the hassle of using a can of compressed air. I am really impressed by this small but powerful air duster, and I bet you will be too. Thanks for watching.
Now, right.